My question po is, anytime soon po ba masa-certify na po yung rice tariffication law?
I'm sorry?
Masa-certify na po ba yung rice tariffication law?
Ah, as what? As urgent? Yung
Yes
sinasabi
po,
mo?
as urgent po.
Oo, actually, masi-certify talaga yan. Ngunit, meron na maging magandang usapan ng House at saka ang Senado, nakahanap na kami ng solusyon para makapag-import ang gobyerno para kaya natin pababain. Pagka mataas ang presyo ng bigas, magbibitaw tayo ng bigas, magbebenta tayo ng mababa para sumunod ang merkado. So, kahit na baka, well, I don't want to preempt the bicameral committee, but I think we have found a solution already so that kahit papano, maybe the mechanism will be different from that which was proposed. But in the end, ang net effect pareho pa rin, makakapag-import ang national government. I don't know through which agency first. They will have to decide which is best. Siyempre, nagkikipag-ugnayan tayo. And I think we may have found a solution. And makikita natin that we will be immediately able to bring down the price of rice.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.